Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password on Citibank. So the first thing that you'll need to do, if you're using a browser, all you need to do just type citi.com, hit the enter button, and you'll be taken to their home screen or main screen website. Of course, if you're using the app, you'll find yourself on something like that. Make sure if it's not downloaded, make sure to download it. If you're using, as an example, your phone, then click on sign in using the user ID. And as you can see in here, you'll find forgot your password. So let's just give do it again. Once you click on sign in with user ID, click on forgot user ID or password. Once you click on it, you'll be able to reset your password re or change basically the password. So as you can see, for in here in the website, you can simply go forgot and he'll click on the password as you can see in here. Once you click on the password, of course, you'll have to, as you can see, having trouble with your account. You can also change the password with Face ID, Touch ID, biometrics, or 6-digit PIN if you have them set up in your device. Of course, that's on the phone. So you can select an account type and use the primary account holder information to verify your identity. First, they want to know who you are. So which account do you have? Do you have a bank or credit card customer? Do you have a mortgage application, small business or something like that? Let's say, for example, I have a personal loan or something like that. I don't know, or small business or something like that. Then click on continue. Of course, you'll have to select off one of the following so they can identify you. You can even choose user ID or account number. Then enter those informations as example. I don't know, I'm just entering some random informations. Then enter the dates and etc. Click on continue and they will simply take you to change your password right away without any problems. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.